Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics, where we are making you imagine. Welcome again to calculus differentiation, and this is our fourth rule of differentiation, that is chain rule. If this is your first time of you coming across this channel, please make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Now let's get on to the problem and see. It reads if y is a function of u, where u is a function of x, then we can say our dy upon dx becomes dy upon du times du upon dx respectively. So this is the formula that we are to use in differentiating chain rule. Now in differentiating chain rule, we always consider the power. Whenever a bracket is having a power, we always consider it as a chain rule. Then let's look at example 1. It reads if y is equals to x square minus 1 raised to the power 20, find dy upon dx. This is chain rule. Stay cool and watch till the end. Then we say solution. Then if you are given y is equals to x square minus 1, this is everything is equal to 20. Now we can we say let what is inside, we say let u is equals to x square minus 1. Now we already letting what is inside this bracket to be u. Then we can see our y then becomes u raised to the power 20. Now what are we to do here? We try to differentiate u and y first. Now let's differentiate u. Now differentiating u, we say du upon dx. That is how we are going to do it. We differentiate u first. We differentiate u with respect to x. We say du upon dx. Then this one becomes, since it is to x square minus 1, then if you are differentiating this one becomes 4x. Okay. Similarly, we want to differentiate y with respect to u. We say dy, let's say dy upon du. Then this one becomes, since you are given u raised to the power 20, differentiating this one becomes 920 u raised to the power 19. This is what you are going to have. Okay. Now from this point, we just need to use or apply differentiation formula. Then we can say from this point, let's take it from this point. We say dy upon dx then becomes dy upon du multiplying by du upon dx. Now if you are substituting, what is dy upon dx? You already having it as dy upon du, it is already as 20 u raised to the power 19. You say 20 u raised to the power 19 multiplying by what is du upon dx? It is clear, 4x. Now we say 4x. Now let's multiply 20 times 4x. This is giving you as 80x u raised to the power 19. But we know, we already letting u to be as 2x square minus 1. Now let's substitute now. Then our answer becomes 80x into, instead of u, we replace it by 2x square minus 1 raised to the power 19. So we can say therefore our dy upon dx that we have to find then becomes 80x into 2x square minus 1 raised to the power 19 respectively. So this is what we have to find in respect to this problem that we are given. Our answer then becomes this. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Hope to see you in the next video on chain rule.